everybody, this is Phyllis Pieri coming to you from beautiful Mission Viejo, California. And tomorrow the Franchise Consulting Company is having a virtual reality Franchise Expo. It's going to be online. I'm going to have the link below for you. But if you will register and come join us tomorrow, we're going to have over 200 franchise companies going to be exhibiting. You'll be able to chat with the development people or the CEOs. We're going to have seminars. I'm very grateful that I got chosen to be one of the seminar presenters. So I'll be presenting tomorrow. I think my time is 11 o'clock and I'm in hallway A. And anyway, so we're really excited to have you come tomorrow. We'll have finance people to help you figure out how you're going to finance your business. Now, remember, the SBA has a new program, so if you decide that this is a good time for you and you need an SBA loan, they have a special program where you're going to get some several months of no payments to get your business started. So again, this is Phyllis Pieri. It's going to be tomorrow. It starts at 8 to 2 Pacific time, 11 to 5 Eastern time. Hope to see you there. Again, Phyllis Pieri, the franchise lady. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.